Hello, welcome to the video on how to install Power BI. So the first step is you need to have a Windows PC. It doesn't work on a Mac, especially the designer we're going to build the Power BI desktop that will help us in designing the report. It doesn't work on a Mac. It's only the web portion you can access on a Mac. So for this training, you're going to need a Windows PC. So you go to powerbi.com. When you go there, it goes to the folder. It automatically expands to the folder web address, which is powerbi.microsoft.com. But then you're going to click on Start Free. So when you click on Start Free, this comes up. You're going to click on Try Free. But before we click on Try Free, we also need to install the Power BI itself. So if you scroll down, you will see downloads, right? So you're going to see a download section, and in this download section, I need you to particularly click on this one. So this Power BI desktop. But what I want you to do is right click and tell it to open in a new tab. So we can still go ahead with signing up for the Power BI. So you click on Try Free. And when you click on Try Free, it opens up to this Get Started. And the thing is, you need to enter your work email address. Well, maybe not necessarily has to be your company's organizational email, but you can't use a free email service. You can't use at Yahoo email, at Gmail, at Hotmail. It has to be at a custom domain email address. So I'm going to put in one here, training at yourbizedge.com. And the moment you do sign up, right? If your company already uses Microsoft Office 365, then you might already have the Power BI as an app enabled for you already. So if that is the case, you're going to see something that will look like this. So let me show you what that will look like. If I click Try Free and I get here, and if I enter, so I think I have one admin at msexcelclub.com, and I say sign up. You see, it says I have an account with Microsoft already. So if your company uses Office 365, this is probably what you will see. It's not a problem. Just sign in with your regular email. But then if you get this, then that means you are completely new to Microsoft's Power BI or Microsoft service as a whole, and then you need to say yes and provide your account details. So this is very straightforward. I'm going to stop that at this part. And the other part which you need to do is this download, right? So if you remember what I said, that right here we scroll down, we pick this Power BI desktop, and this comes up, right? So there's the download free. Again, you have multiple options. If you do download free, what will happen is it will try to bring up the Microsoft Store, App Store, and then make you want to install the Power BI via the App Store. This is the recommended option. But then again, some of you might be using an older version of Microsoft or Microsoft Windows, maybe like Windows 7, hopefully not Windows XP, because I don't think it's going to install on that. Or maybe you on your company laptop, this is not possible. You're not allowed to be able to install via the App Store. Maybe it's not been set up. So if you are encountering those kind of situations, or maybe you just want to download it and have it as a file that you can go to your house laptop and your house PC and set it up on, then you might not want to use this. But the benefit of using this is it auto updates. So whenever there is a new update, your Power BI will automatically get that update, and you won't have to remember to update your Power BI. But then, like I said, if that option is not possible for you, you see this C download and language options. If you expand it, or you click on it, and a new page comes up, and here you are able to download the Power BI itself, download the installation for file itself, and most likely your computer will be 64-bit. So this is what you go for. If you use a new PC, most new computers are 64-bit. But then if you are not so sure, you can go check and verify, and if yours is 34-bit, 32-bit, then you pick this. So you download whichever it is that is for yours, and you do next to download, and in the end the file will be downloaded, and then you just install. So see you in the next video.